Super Glow. A gentle daily face toner that helps remove dead skin cells to reveal a more radiant, bright complexion. This chemical exfoliant is powered by glow-inducing fruit acids with low pH that help tone, balance, and clear skin. How to use. Use once per day in the evening. After cleansing, apply a dime-sized amount to a cotton round, and gently wipe over face and neck, avoiding the eyes and lips. Follow with a hydrating moisturizer. 100% cruelty-free vegan. Proud to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free worldwide. Because kindness is chic. Free from. All E.L.F products are 100% free from phthalate, parabens, nonylphenol, ethoxylates, triclosan, triclocarban, and hydroquinone. Beauty for all. E.L.F Cosmetics provides professional quality products at get real prices, because we believe beauty should be accessible to every eye, lip, and face. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty sure the sun was harnessed to make this. Honestly, I am impressed with this. It's like E.L.F harnessed the power of G-damn Aphrodite to make this. The price is amazing for what it is. Before I was using a liquid exfoliant by Neutrogena. The one by Neutrogena was not only $20 plus, it also was sold in a smaller size.